Hi, thank you for taking the time to view our presentation for our Smart Avionics Systems environment for automatic test systems and explore what our technology has to offer. Global Strategic Solutions Smart Avionics Systems environment software enables condition-based maintenance practices by capturing, exchanging, and mapping automatic test system results and aircraft built-in test data within NavAir's integrated data environment and standard data repository. The solution characterizes avionics systems health state data, standardizes aircraft health reporting data utilizing industry standards format, integrates automatic test system data through a centralized automatic test system report repository, and operationalizes all functions using a health-based software application tool to support maintenance operations. GSS is using an F-18 use case for development while scaling the system for usage by all military and commercial platforms. Aircraft built-in test data is underutilized in the sustainment process, and Global Strategic Solutions software is another digital transformation step in the domain of automatic test systems by connecting data in stovepipe systems for analysis to improve fleet readiness. Global Strategic Solutions was founded in 2005 with the mission to develop and commercialize innovative software technology products and services in the areas of predictive analytics, health monitoring systems, cognitive computing systems, and automation systems. Over the last 20 years, GSS has been engaged in the advancement of condition-based maintenance practices within the DoD as subject matter experts and through developing health monitoring technologies and system solutions for use in defense aviation, commercial aviation, energy, and ground transportation systems. Our team consists of personnel with decades of experience in maintenance support systems for aviation platforms and multiple patents in areas of integrate vehicle health maintenance. Our experience includes developing health monitoring software solution for defense aviation programs, to include the F-35 and P-8A, integrating health monitoring data with enterprise data management solutions to enhance decision support as it relates to reliability-centered maintenance and condition-based maintenance practices, and developing operational use cases, health assessment algorithms and models, and integration with enterprise applications. Additionally, GSS personnel are active members in the following committees: the SAEHM1 Committee developing Integrated Vehicle Health Management Aerospace Recommended Practice Standards, the IEEE Reliability Society Working Group developing IEEEP 1856, a contributing member of the HM1 Working Group developing SAEJA 6268 Design and Runtime Information Exchange for health-ready components, and a contributing member of the ASME Subcommittee on Monitoring, Diagnostics, and Prognostics for advanced manufacturing. Through these experiences, GSS has become a leader in the integrated vehicle health management community within the defense industry. The Navy faces a challenge of sharing unit under test health state data across all levels of maintenance, as well as a commonality in the shared data. NavAir is implementing digital transformation objectives, including condition-based maintenance, to enhance weapon system readiness. Condition-based maintenance utilizes data to forecast maintenance needs, improve readiness, and reduce costs by identifying and repairing components before they fail. To advance this practice, NavAir is working to integrate automatic test systems into the condition-based maintenance process by advancing software technologies and testing methods. Global Strategic Solutions objective during this SBIR topic is to provide the capability to support weapon system condition-based maintenance and predictive health maintenance practices, improve avionics systems, test repair efficiencies, and facilitate capture and exchange of ATS data information within NavAir's integrated data environment to support enterprise CBM plus efforts. To do this, GSS is working to develop innovative software technologies, methodologies, and tools for health, environment, and performance, and test data sharing between weapon system unit under test and ATS systems to enable improvements in weapon system availability and advance the application of smart systems capabilities in open standards. Currently, GSS is collaborating with FA-18 and MQ-4C as the use case platforms to prove the technology's functionality and value. However, Global Strategic Solutions system is being developed and scaled for utilization by other NavAir platforms, as well as U.S. Air Force and commercial aircraft. The use and improvement of the smart avionics systems environment for ATS can be summarized through why it is needed and how the system will lead to improvement. The toolset provides a connection of health monitoring system data across all levels of maintenance for consistent and collective analysis and allows all users the opportunity to view and evaluate the health state data. Maintainers at all levels of operations can benefit from the utilization of our system. I-level test technicians can view latest aircraft fault code callouts and guidance for why the part was removed for testing. O-level maintainers can view historical aircraft and test result callouts to better understand their equipment. Program offices and fleet support teams can view historical callouts to identify patterns and implement new test and repair strategies. Global Strategic Solutions System improves operations by creating a more efficient component testing process and enables CBM Plus practices to identify issues before they occur. Additionally, it can map, connect, and display the information that allows for SME analysis to improve test procedure set development, reduce costs and time of redundant testing, and could not duplicate occurrences and provide common understanding across all levels of maintenance. Global Strategic Solutions Smart Avionics Systems Environment Software enables CBM Plus practices by capturing, exchanging, and mapping ATS results data to aircraft built-in test data within Navair's IDE. This solution connects the built-in test data collected by the Air platform with unit under test report files that are produced by the automatic test systems using industry standards for the exchange of data. The data collected from all levels of maintenance is mapped together to gain a greater understanding of the data and isolate issues that otherwise would not be found on their own. Global Strategic Solutions solution is a cloud-based application that can be accessed by any user at all levels of maintenance to view the historical record of a specific unit under test or identify trends that may be occurring in terms of aircraft built-in test reporting and ATS performance. The data is collected from O-level maintenance systems and test data collected from automatic test equipment at the I level. The data is stored and organized within Global Strategic Solutions toolset, where the data is mapped and displayed, showing connections between the UUT's history, current bit data, and providing guidance for testing and repair procedures. Additionally, the data saved and stored within the health record has the potential to be used for machine learning applications, as it is distinguishable, standardized, and accurate data. These types of connections allow users on all levels to make more informed decisions when taking action on a WRA by not looking at each fault and test occurrence as an isolated event, but rather take correct action based on each item's specific health history. There are many advantages and benefits Global Strategic Solutions System provides, but we have highlighted a few of the main features here on this slide. The Smart Avionics System environment ingests UUT test program set results data in a common format using industry standards, which allows the system to access and read all the relevant data, as well as formatting the data in a way that enables sharing test results data across other networked repositories, such as Navair's Standard Data Repository. Currently, saving and sharing ATE results is a challenge across the enterprise, and a system like GSS is creating will allow for an increase in a shared understanding of UUT health throughout all levels of maintenance. As well as storing health state data, our system maps the BIT data recorded from the aircraft to description of the codes, specific SRAs affected by the codes, potential tests to run on the ATE to duplicate and find the fault, and SRAs replaced in the repair process. This mapping allows users at all levels to make better decisions regarding the WRA. O-level maintainers can use the health history to determine if a part needs to be removed for depot-level repair. I-level technicians can use the data to know why the unit under test was sent for testing to begin with, as well as trends of fault reporting from its past, and depot-level repairs will have more evidence to isolate the issues to conduct the correct repair action. Once the data is all mapped together, our system is also capable of providing guidance for test procedures. This guidance comes in the form of listing TPS tests that correlate to the specific SRA the aircraft believes is the cause of the fault. This information can allow the ATE technician to pinpoint the fault faster by running the specific tests listed, rather than running an entire test set, saving time and money to identify the correct fault. After every maintenance action that occurs on the aircraft, every test that is run on the ATE, and every SRA that is replaced on the WRA, the system will be updated and saved for historical reference. Every event in the WRA's life will be saved, displayed, and connected to give users more evidence to identify trends and specific issues regarding the part. This information is used to calculate the percentage of faults occurring, specific fault code occurrences, test failures, and SRA replacements for a specific WRA. Many advantages and benefits can come from GSS Smart Avionics System environment by providing accurate and usable evidence to isolate issues and take the proper corrective action to save time and money and ensure WRAs return for issue in a fully mission-capable state. Global Strategic Solutions has already developed a feasible prototype plan and gave a preliminary demonstration of the Phase 2 minimal viable product. Moving forward, GSS will demonstrate the full minimal viable product for the Phase 2 period and utilize relevant aircraft and test data to prove its capabilities ingesting and connecting potential real-world data sets. During the Phase 2 effort, GSS has identified potential data collection sources throughout the maintenance process and began recommending standards updates to ensure all data requirements are met in a usable format for sharing across other applications. GSS will use this research and recommendations to further define the connection path for the developed MVP. When it comes to where the GSS Smart Avionics environment software can be marketed, both military use and commercial use are viable options. On the military side, it could be integrated within NavAir's IDE to connect and work in conjunction with current maintenance systems. Additionally, the system can be used to integrate with new log IT systems to ensure the data paths are defined and created to store and transfer the correct data requirements, as well as ensuring future maintenance support equipment can exchange data in a shareable format. On the commercial side, the aviation organizations face the same challenges to improve their condition-based maintenance practices. Integration into currently established commercial data exchange environments is possible through using accurate exchange standards. Global Strategic Solutions is looking to transition the smart avionics environment for ATS solution beyond Phase 2. At the completion of the Phase 2 base period, GSS will utilize the option to further prove the system's capabilities and potential through additional data collection sources that expand and further detail the aircraft and ATE data collection process. After the current Phase 2 effort is completed, GSS needs a Phase 2.5 or Phase 3 for further validation and transition. Currently, NOCAD Lakehurst is advocating for the development of the system, but our ability to transition our technology will be enhanced through the partnership of leadership within other airframe program organizations. GSS intends to be the market leader in embedded system health data capturing and is open to partnering with all government, prime integrators, and commercial organizations within the aviation community. Thank you for taking the time to hear about our developments and achievements. If you would like to hear more about our current efforts, how we can improve your maintenance monitoring operations, or would like a product demonstration, please reach out to our Managing Director, Felipe Hernandez, at the listed phone number or email. Additionally, if you would like to learn more about Global Strategic Solutions, you can follow the link to our website or follow us through our LinkedIn page. Again, thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon.